Join me as I take on the challenge of turning $100 into over $7,500 in just 21 days trading Forex. Let's see if my strategy really works. Hi everyone, I'm your host and I'm excited to share with you my Forex trading journey, where I turned a humble $100 investment into a staggering $7,545 in just 21 days. It's been a wild ride, and I'm thrilled to reveal the strategies and techniques that made it possible. When I first started trading Forex, I was like many of you, struggling to make sense of the complex charts, indicators, and market analysis. I'd heard the horror stories of traders losing their shirts, and I wasn't sure if I had what it took to succeed, but I was determined to learn, and I poured myself into studying the markets, devouring books and online courses, and practicing with demo accounts. One of the biggest challenges I faced was the lack of knowledge and strategy. I was making trades based on gut feelings and speculation, rather than solid analysis and risk management. I was riding an emotional roller coaster with my profits and losses swinging wildly from one day to the next. And let's be honest, it was frustrating and demoralizing at times. Another major hurdle was the psychological aspect of trading. I'd get attached to my trades and refrain from cutting losses or taking profits because I was too emotionally invested. I'd get caught up in the thrill of the trade and forget to stick to my strategy. It was a hard lesson to learn, but I eventually realized that discipline and detachment were key to success in Forex trading. As I continued to learn and grow, I began to develop a solid strategy that worked for me. I started to focus on high-probability trades using technical and fundamental analysis to identify potential winners. I set clear goals and risk management parameters, and I stuck to them like glue. And slowly but surely my trading account started to grow. So what exactly did I do to achieve such an impressive return on my investment? I'd like to share some of the specific strategies and techniques that contributed to my success. Firstly, I adopted a trend-following approach, using indicators like the moving average and the relative strength index to identify and ride the trends. I also started to use price action analysis, looking for specific patterns and formations that indicated potential trades. Next, I made a conscious effort to manage my risks more effectively. I set stop losses and take profits, and I stuck to them even when my emotions were screaming at me to do otherwise. I also diversified my trades, spreading my risk across different currency pairs and time frames. And finally, I worked on my mindset, focusing on discipline, patience, and perseverance. But there was one pivotal moment in my trading journey that really made the difference. It was a trade that I'll never forget, where I decided to take a contrarian view and go against the crowd. It was a high-risk trade, but I'd done my research and I was confident in my analysis. And boy, did it pay off. That trade alone contributed a significant chunk to my overall profits, and it gave me the confidence to continue pushing the boundaries of my trading strategy. So, what can you take away from my experience? The most important thing is that education, strategy, and discipline are key to success in Forex trading. You can't just wing it and expect to make profits consistently. You need to put in the time and effort to learn and improve, and you need to be willing to adapt and evolve with the markets. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. If you're new to Forex trading, I hope this video has given you some inspiration and insights to get started. And if you're an experienced trader, I hope you've picked up some valuable tips and strategies to add to your arsenal. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more trading tips and insights, and I'll catch you in the next one.